Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. You're not visible. Come here ना front.
I can't open my eyes.
तुम अंधेरे में क्यों दिख रही हो? You're getting
धूप है।
covered. इधर आ जाओ और आगे आ जाओ.
नहीं धूप आ रही है। मैं आँख नहीं खोल रही।
हाँ ठीक है रुको.
मैं आँख नहीं खोल रही।
अरे यार.
मैं आँख नहीं खोल रही।
अरे.
Give me your shades.
Goggle पहनो goggle. Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. I am here in Auli right now and as you can see the background is absolutely disappointing because I was expecting it to be covered completely of snow but snow है थोड़े mountain cap पे which means we have to go really up to experience it. Problem ये है ना इतनी ठंडी लग रही है 4 लेयर है ग्लव्स पहना हुआ है फिर भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही ठंडी लग रही है. टेम्परेचर what -8 degrees.
It's 6. Please, exaggeration. Just 6.
Just 6 degrees. ऐसी हालत हो गई. मेरे कान में भी मैंने वो डाल के रखे हैं कॉटन वॉटन सब कुछ बट बहुत ठंड लग रही है. अभी 11-12 बज चुके हैं. कितने 11 बज गए हैं.
एटलीस्ट व्लॉग के बहाने मुंह से आवाज तो निकल रही है तब से वो लाइक
मुंह से हवा भी निकल रही है. वो होता है ना जो क्या बोलते हैं कोल्ड वाली. बट यू नो व्यू इज नाइस यार. माउंटेन सब दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. अभी एंडेवर से जूते लेंगे पहले एंड अपने गॉगल्स एंड देन वील हेड ऑन टू द टॉप. चलो लेट्स गो. सो नाउ आई हैव स्विच्ड इनटू माय शूज आल्सो वर्न ग्लेस बिकॉज स्नो में यू आर ऑलवेज सपोज टू वेयर ग्लेस. आई कैन सी द एंडेवर इज बिकम एक्सट्रीमली डर्टी. रात को इतनी गंदी नहीं दिख रही थी बट अभी इतनी गंदी हो चुकी है ना. बट देयर इज सम सैटिस्फाइंग फीलिंग यू नो लुकिंग एट अ डर्टी एसयूवी. नाउ वी हैव टू गो अप वाया द चेयर लिफ्ट. 500 rupees per person to and fro. So right now we are going up via the chair car. बहुत ज़्यादा slow है. It's taking its own sweet time. थोड़ी बहुत vibrations भी है and we can finally see some snow here. थोड़ी बहुत snow दिख रही है. Very little of it. Yeah. The best thing is everybody is taking Instagram reels इधर बैठ के.
वहाँ पे I can see snow. See?
हाँ वहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा snow है.
वहाँ पे होगा.
So the thing is that they charges rupees 500 to go to and fro. मैं already बता चुका हूँ. But this service works from I think 10 o'clock till 3:30, which means that you have to be back before 3:30 वरना ये बंद हो जाएगा. वरना पैदल चल के और पैदल चल के it's like 2-3 kilometers, which is a lot of effort. But the bigger problem, if you want to go into snow for skiing, is going to take you 2.5 hours of trekking 2 kilometers. वो जाएंगे तो वहीं पे रहना पड़ेगा रात को because obviously you won't be able to come down. It's not cold ना.
It's not cold. यहाँ पे धूप है ना तो ठंड नहीं लग रही.
Thank you Jadu. Thank you. So right now what we have decided is to take a horse. The horse will take us up near the skiing area and the horse guy is so nice that he's going to take us back down to the helicopter and then he's going to drop us back to go back through the cable cart. Now I don't know if skiing is going to happen or not but this horse looks very nice. Hey 14 horsepower, how do you feel today? He has nothing to say. कुछ तो बोलो boss, कुछ तो बोलो.
But I'm a donkey.
Ride safe. He doesn't have airbags unfortunately. Right now we are in between snow. I'm so down because ये जो shoes हैं बहुत forward facing रहते हैं. Yeah, the shoes are very forward facing for skiing. We're going to try some skiing right now. And it's not very cold. गर्मी लग रही है इतने layers पहननी है. But
ऊपर से धूप भी है.
But सांस फूल गई completely. नूरन की तो फट गई थी ऊपर चलते चलते. I caught her, put her on my back and I got her up.
Oh, and I rescued you from the horse, right?
Horse?
Yeah.
We never took a horse. What are you talking?
बॉडी वेट आगे 1 फीट का गैप होना चाहिए इसके अंदर. ठीक है, प्रॉपर आगे झुके रहना है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, एक बार मैं पकड़ के ले जाऊंगा फिर आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है सर.
अच्छा.
इतना ही है, ऊपर वाला भी इतना ही होगा, ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं होता क्योंकि
हाँ, that's what he was saying, no? यहाँ से यहाँ तक ही करेंगे. Bend down more.
हाँ.
You like it?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Fake.
You know, I know.
You. Why are you not enthusiastic, Faisal?
Enthusiastic.
It's loose on my head. It'll fall. Tight करो.
It's proper.
Once we are good with this, we'll go for the. मैं try करती हूँ खुद से करना. हो गया. Ooh. This fall was bad, but this fall could have been better. I'm concentrating on the look ahead part because of the GoPro. Bad fall, bad fall.
Look up, look ahead. Look ahead, look ahead. Look ahead. एकदम आगे देखो.
आराम से, ऐसा नहीं, आगे को नहीं.
Holding my tongue, climbing the rungs. Everyone here's got agendas. Doomed by desire, the world's on fire. Still trying to find where we'll end up.
2, 1, go.
Achoo!
आपका हाथ आना चाहिए।
ओके
सुमी कैसा आया?
वीडियो ऑन रखा है मैंने, अब बस पकड़ के रखो।
कैसा आया? कैसे उठा रहे हो वैसे? स्लोमो है? स्लोमो होना चाहिए। स्लोमो होना चाहिए। Lot of people.
I know a lot of people. Skiing is done. We fell 1,347 times.
I
She
didn't
fell
count.
more than me. I fell more than her. That's what exactly happened.
But it was amazing.
Yeah, what an
Super
experience!
fun.
Oh my god, it is mind-blowingly phenomenal. And you
जबकि
can
we
see.
just did the beginners वाला.
हाँ
but
इतना
still.
सबको मत बताओ स्कीम ठीक है. You can see there's a lot of snow. So क्या होता है ना, यहाँ पे ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल की जरूरत होती है, ESP की जरूरत होती है. You need launch control, you need anything and everything. In fact, you don't believe me? Check how we go down. We're gonna fall a million times.
We are not going down like that. We'll fall.
फोन किधर है आपका? Slowly.
See, if you fall, I'll not be able to balance your weight. Yeah,
Look.
sliding is better. I'm sliding down.
Oh my goodness, there's no traction.
Sliding was easier.
I told you, right? You want a boomerang or sliding? Gravity kicked in you. संभाल के. Just keep catching all the.
Ow!
Don't worry, I have your back.
Wow! I guess यहाँ पे भी मुझे slide ही करना पड़ेगा.
You can't slide. It is very rough. The rock. Easier, trust me. ऊपर चढ़ सकते तो नीचे आ ही सकते हैं.
Faisal, you're pushing me off.
This is easy. It's easy. Hold my bag. Give your hand. In no man's land.
In snowman's land. Careful.
There's snow. There's mud. There's muck. Put yourself into 4x4. Low. 4 low.
Are you for real? I should get the award for falling the maximum number of times.
Down.
Wait, what's this called? Which you're using?
ये stick $100 that place.
Yeah, that's so special. Wait, why not real?
Teabag.
Wait.
Teabag.
Yeah, you take my glove away. Like you slipping and you take my glove.
Direct skin touching only causes frostbite. Now we are going on the helicopter. The helicopter is right there. We had to wait for some time, but only 3,000 rupees per person for the helicopter, which is absolute
Completely worth it.
bargain. बोलते हैं इसको bargain. So the helicopter can take up to 7 people. Of course, one has to be the pilot, and it's actually a lot of fun because you get to see a good amount of view around. But you know, you might feel scary. It's not scary at all. काफ़ी अच्छे से जाता है हेलीकॉप्टर. काफ़ी स्मूथ राइड भी है. इनफैक्ट हेलीकॉप्टर की आवाज़ अभी भी आ रही है. मैं हेलीकॉप्टर से बाहर हूँ. आपको B-roll दिखा रहा हूँ. बट हेलीकॉप्टर का अलग ही मजा है. द राइड इज फॉर 5-7 minutes only. 3,000 rupees is the cheapest anywhere for a helicopter ride. Trust me on this. They are saying they're doing it in losses just to promote tourism. I kind of believe them also. बट अगर आए हो ओली, डेफिनेटली हेलीकॉप्टर राइड करके जाना, बिकॉज वो सब कुछ आपको दिखा देगा. एक गो में सब कुछ आपको अच्छे से दिख जाएगा. बट मोस्टली आप क्या करोगे, आप शूट ही कर रहे होगे. Now 3 people sit in the front, 4 people sit at the rear. So actually 8 people sit in the copter, and it's according to the weight. So me and Nuren being lighter in weight got to sit in the front. Otherwise हमें पीछे बैठना पड़ता. Although हर जगह ग्लास है तो सब कुछ दिखने को मिलता है वैसे भी. 3, 2, 1, go. And the day has kind of come to an end. It is almost 4:30 right now. I'm back to the resort, back to the room, but had a lot of fun. What all did we do? We did horse riding, we did skiing, we did a helicopter ride, we went to cable cart, we fell a lot of times, but we had a lot of fun. Now the cost, I'll also tell you quickly what it is. Cable cart का 500 rupees per person up and down का, ठीक है? And helicopter ride का 3,000 rupees per person. For skiing, the cost is 600 rupees per person. ज़्यादा एरिया में नहीं skiing है, थोड़ी से एरिया में. If you're beginner, then that is the one you should take, obviously. And they also have ATV ride, which is for 1,200 for 2 people. But they ride, you have to sit behind. That doesn't make sense. Rather, you ride it. So वो हम लोग ने किया ही नहीं. Now we are exhausted because we are feeling really hungry. We didn't have food. Cable cart shuts at around, किसी की गाड़ी बज रही है, चोरी हो रही है. I hope it's not the Endeavour. So what happens is cable cart shuts at 4:20. Then you have to walk 400 meters down, which is a lot of effort. And oh my god, I'm really tired, but I'm really happy. Nuren is so happy now. She's in another trip altogether. But वो काफ़ी थक गई, so she's gone and she's freshening up. मुझे यहाँ पे vlog खत्म करना था. But the vlog will continue in the next vlog, which is going to be another location, another place, another travel with, of course, the Ford Endeavour. So stay tuned. If you like this vlog, make sure to give the thumbs up. That's the like button. View अच्छा है, लेकिन burn out हो रहा है, तो बंद ही कर देते हैं. अब क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? ठंड में ना सब कुछ फूल जाता है. Just check this out, okay? ये तो इतना नहीं फूला, ये देखो कितना फूला हुआ है. Everything फूलोफाइज like crazy. लेस का पैकेट देख रहे हो? ओनली इफ दे गिव सो मच लेस इन अ पैकेट, अलग ही बात होती. सब कुछ फूला जा रहा है. काइंड ऑफ डेंजरस यार. खोलेंगे तो फट जाएगा और टेस्ट चला जाएगा खाने का. मजाक कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा.